Hello guys, my name is Funking Ho and I'm representing Takio Daycare Center. I've been working on this project and its name is the soda maker. Alright, starting off with compartment 1. Compartment 1 is used to store water and this is the pump. The pump is used to pump water to these 3 compartments. You should end up with water equally distributed to these 3 compartments. After you're done pumping all the water, you just start to pump oxygen into it, creating the soda. You should be done when all the water is located on this compartment. After it's done, you may release it and it'll flow up to these 2 compartments. This compartment is used to regulate the pressure, making it impossible to let it reverse and go back to this compartment. The main compartment is here and you'll store your soda water. This will take about 30 seconds for it to be done. Now we just wait for a while because the pressure has to merge with the water. Yeah, it sometimes drips water. And once it's done, closes the lock off. Flip it upside down. Release the lock again. And release. And now you have your soda water. Very good.